Hi, good to see you here. Today we're going to talk about LinkedIn and how you can use it effectively for your Web3 prospecting and building very nice lead lists. So I'm going to show you a few tricks in your LinkedIn search, how you can filter out the people that you don't need and make the quality of your leads raise. So you're always delivering the right message to the right people. Because sometimes it doesn't matter if you have the best email copy and if you have like 20 steps in the sequence. If you're just messaging to the wrong person, then they're just not gonna read and it's not gonna be relevant for them. And you as a salesperson gonna suffer because you're gonna think, what am I doing wrong? So maybe you're just failing on this first step in your journey where you need to filter out for the right people. And I'm gonna show you how to do this. Before we jump in, I just want to say a word about the blockchain business builders community that we're building. It's a community for Web3 sellers where we can share this kind of tips, where we can share common challenges and find solutions for them, and also network and build connections that gonna help us to stay in this industry longer and have a better time here. So if you're selling anything in Web3, partnership, BD, whatever it is, but you're not still in the community, the link is in the description and we are waiting for you there, mate. So let's jump back to LinkedIn. There are 4 things that I want to teach you. First thing, how to filter out precisely for words. So you go to search, you put Web3, you put people, then you go to filters, and then let's say you want to find specifically people that work in sales. To filter out only that for this word, you put it in quotations. And this is going to give you only people that have word sales in their titles and nothing else. Like sales, maybe there are going to be some other words, but sales must be present. You push hit and then you have around 1200 results. What can we extract more from this search? Let's say we want to broaden it, because in sales people we call ourselves sales, BD, business development, partnership, here and there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to broaden it by adding another piece of logic, which is or. We're gonna say sales or BD, sales or business development, sales or partnership. And this gives you that we had 1200, now we have 3400 people. That's fantastic. It's everybody who is in Web3. Let's add the third thing to it. Let's say we want to exclude some group of these people. Let's say we don't want managers. We only want people that are like regular salespeople that are in the trenches. So taking this big search, you can add another piece of logic, which is not. We don't want them. We don't want manager. People that have manager in data. So all business development managers, they're just gonna fall off. And it's minus 33, it's like minus 100 people already. You can add lead, you can add head, you can try to play around with the search. My goal is that you understand the logic how to do this. And the 4th step that I wanted to show you is a condition. Or maybe not a condition, but making your search a better one, because the person that you're looking for a specific person. Let's say you're looking for a founder, and you want a founder that is also a CEO, because you're looking to buy a Web3 company and you really want a CEO and the founder that understands what's happening in their business. So you're gonna add founder and CEO and run the whole results, and then you have a lot of people here. But let's say you don't want co-founders, you only want a founder. So you're gonna add again the same logic that I taught you. You don't want co-founder, and you show results. Boom, it's already minus almost 1,000 people. So 4 simple tips, and you know how to make your searches better. If you were wondering, like, should I buy Sales Navigator for Web3 prospecting? Let's try to max out your free version. You can extract the most value out of it, and then if you want, you can take a trial, or you can take 1 month of Sales Navigator and see if it's worth for you. What is important to know in the end, I want you to use the searches. Go try them out right now. Filter out for your persona, for your company. You can do this not only with titles, you can do it with everything that you want. And I'm looking forward, like, try Web3, NFT, DeFi, DAO. Like, there is a multiple filters. How can you maximize the outcome and build and have the most people in your pipeline? So subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the Blockchain Business Builders community, and let's go. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video because there's more good stuff coming and I can't wait to show it to you. Thank you guys. See you and bye bye.